Mr. Quizler!
Hello fashionistas! Welcome back to another thrilling challenge with Mr. Quizler. Today we're entering the glamorous world of fashion to test your knowledge of hidden brand logos. You'll face 30 illusions with only 10 seconds to guess each brand. The more you score, the higher your rank. Are you a fashion novice, logo legend, or the ultimate brand connoisseur? If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. Ready to strut your stuff? Let's start with some easy ones. Here's your first guess. You know this one. The answer is Nike. Greatness awaits, so just do it. This one is classic. Can you guess it? It's Adidas, keeping sports and style at the forefront. Luxury vibes, anyone? The answer is Gucci, where fashion meets opulence. This monogram is iconic, easy guess. The answer is Louis Vuitton, redefining luxury travel. Timeless and elegant, can you spot it? The answer is Chanel, synonymous with classic style. This was just the beginning. I hope you're keeping up. Minimalism meets luxury. Guess this one. Prada is your answer. Always ahead of the curve. Fast fashion champions, any ideas? It's Zara, where trends come alive. Affordable fashion for all. What's the brand? H&M, the ultimate wardrobe solution. For all the denim lovers, this one's easy. The answer is Levi's, your go-to for iconic jeans. Polo logo, anyone? It's Ralph Lauren, redefining American style. It's time for a bonus question. Time to test your sneaker knowledge. What's the answer? The answer is Adidas. Those three stripes are iconic in both sports and streetwear. The easy round is over, let's pick up the pace. Medusa's gaze is unmistakable. The answer is Versace, where bold meets beautiful. A modern trendsetter. Guess this one. It's Balenciaga, turning heads in fashion. Streetwear royalty. Any guesses? The answer is Off-White, where luxury meets urban edge. Plaid perfection. Who's behind it? Burberry is your answer, a British classic. Double F's, you know this. The answer is Fendi, where heritage meets modernity. I hope you're still in the game because we're entering the hard round in just 5 questions. Haute couture heaven, guess this brand. Dior is the name redefining fashion artistry. Red, white, and blue, guess the brand. It's Tommy Hilfiger, all-American style. Next up, luxury on the go. What's the brand? The answer is Michael Kors for the jet set lifestyle. Iconic leather bags ring a bell? It's Coach, where craftsmanship shines. Sleek, minimalist, and iconic. Guess the brand. Calvin Klein, always cool and classic. It's time for a bonus question. Here's a hint. Think timeless elegance. Those interlocking C's are easy to guess. Let us know your answer in the comment section below. Moving to the hard round now. Woven leather lovers. Who's behind this? The answer is Bottega Veneta, redefining chic minimalism. Playful and fresh, can you guess it? It's Jacquemus, the new wave of French fashion. 23rd question is here. Quirky and cool. Guess this one. Marc Jacobs is your answer, a playful touch on fashion. Orange boxes and timeless scarves. What's the name? It's Hermes, an icon of elegance. Did you get this one? Bold and couture inspired. The answer is Givenchy, where sophistication reigns. You are doing good. Let's keep going. Love bracelets. You know this one. It's Cartier, luxury at its finest. Fast like a cat, what's the brand? It's Puma, forever faster. Last few questions. Lingerie lovers, this one's for you. Victoria's Secret, where glamour takes flight. Performance wear, guess who? Under Armour, built for athletes. Adventure gear, what's the brand? It's the North Face, never stop exploring. Last bonus question is here. Saddle up for this one. Who's behind the horse and rider? The answer is Polo Ralph Lauren, capturing the spirit of luxury and equestrian elegance. Did you have fun? How did you do? Drop your Quizler title in the comments. Are you a fashion novice, logo legend, or the ultimate brand connoisseur? I had a blast testing your brand knowledge. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a pro in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you're ready for the next exciting challenge. Until next time, stay stylish, keep guessing, and slay those fashion illusions. Bye for now.